See these rocks? These are the rocks so far that I've dug out of this area, and I'm not gonna bury them or anything. I always like to keep rocks like this. I've got a couple retaining walls out the side, and this one I could possibly use that one for a landscape rock. It's kind of small though, but I can use that, because see this right in here. This is kind of falling down with these rocks. I might be able to use some of these rocks to shore this up at the bottom. See how all these kind of dribbled down here? I could rebuild this little section, and I could use these down towards the bottom. So I always like to save my my big rocks. Okay, so now I've got all that chopped up, and see this bag? This is just an IKEA bag. You see, IKEA. You ever heard of IKEA? It's a store where you can buy furniture and different things. You put stuff together, and it's got bedding, and it's got all kinds of stuff. But anyways, this is a bag that on checkout sometimes they'll let you take it, or you can buy these bags while you're there, and I just use it for a tote and carry all kinds of stuff in there, and it works out good for my trash, for my leaves, for whatever I'm doing, to throw it away. Okay, so now I'm pretty much ready to start shoveling this in. But before I do that, of course, I'll put my Sawzall away, get it out of here. I don't want to get dirt in next to the motor assembly here, or right in here. Never want to just lay your power tools right down into the ground, you see. All right, time for me to get busy once again.